Meerkat in wildlife. Meerkats are small members of the mongoose family with brown fur and darker tail tips. Darker eye patches help reduce glare from bright sunlight. They have pointed snouts and powerful foreclaws designed to help them dig and retrieve prey from narrow crevices. Meerkats weigh up to 2.2 pounds and are between 10 to 14 inches in length, minus their long tails. The meerkat has a wide distribution in southern Africa, from the extreme southwest of Angola, through Namibia and Botswana, and into the west and north of South Africa. They live in areas with the stony, often calcareous ground in a variety of arid, open habitats with little woody vegetation. Meerkats are common in savannas, open plains, and rocky areas beside dry rivers. They are absent from true deserts, but may occur in semi-desert regions. These highly social animals live in groups of up to 30 individuals called mobs. Mobs can contain several families living together in different burrows, with females appearing dominant. One member of the mob acts as a sentinel, standing on hind legs and surveying the landscape as the others forage for food. The sentinel lets out a shrill call if a predator is spotted. Sentinel duty rotates between individuals throughout the day. Most breeding takes place during the warm, rainy season between August and March, when food is easiest to obtain. Males initiate the process by fighting with females. Females give birth to litters of 2 to 5 offspring after an 11-week gestation period. The young are weaned by 9 weeks of age and reach sexual maturity when they are 1 year old. Meerkats live in underground burrows in large groups of up to 30 individuals called a gang or a mob. The mob is made up of several families, but one dominant female and one dominant male produce most of the babies. Meerkats have very long claws to help them dig their burrows and to uncover food. They have a special membrane that covers the eye to protect it from dirt and rocks while they are burrowing. They also have very special ears that they can close to keep out soil when digging. Meerkats live in cooperative packs of 3 to 25 with partially overlapping home ranges of a few square kilometers, which they mark with secretions of the anal glands. Packs will chase or fight one another if they meet. Meerkats shelter in burrow systems having multiple entrances and measuring up to 5 meters, 16 feet, across. Several levels of tunnels and chambers extend to 1.5 meters below ground. Each home range contains about 5 such warrens. Packs spend the night inside, and pups are born there. Meerkat pups are born with their eyes and ears shut, and are mostly hairless. Their eyes open after 2 weeks, they start eating food other than their mother's milk at 3 weeks, and they venture out of their den at 4 weeks old. The burrows of the meerkat are complex with tunnels and sleeping chambers, and they may have as many as 70 entrances to the burrow system. These entrances allow them to escape if their burrows are invaded by a predator, and many entrances also allow quick escape if they are threatened while foraging on the surface. Meerkats will often gang up on and mob a potential predator. Meerkats will often drag a scorpion or millipede through the sand before eating it. This helps to get rid of venom in the scorpions or toxic secretions from the millipedes. They also retreat into their tunnels for an afternoon rest to avoid the heat of midday. While the temperature may be 38 degrees Celsius 100 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface, it is 23 degrees Celsius 73 degrees Fahrenheit a meter below. Meerkats are specially adapted to living in the harsh desert environment. They have dark patches around their eyes that serve to reduce the glare of the sun and therefore increase their navigation capability. This increases their chances of spotting a predator. The eyes have a clear protective membrane that shields them from dirt while digging. Their ears also close tightly to keep dirt out. Meerkats also have dark-skinned bellies that are covered with only a thin layer of fur, allowing the meerkats to warm themselves by lying face up in the sun. Meerkats have sensational vision that allows them to both spot birds in the sky from miles away but also see clearly underground. Long horizontal pupils also allow meerkats a wide range of sight, without the need for them to turn their heads. They also possess a membrane that shields them from dirt when they are digging. Adult meerkats take turns acting as guards while the others look for food. The guard climbs to the top of the highest rock, termite mound, or bush it can find. Then it stands upright on two legs to get a good look around. If the guard spots danger, it alerts the others with a bark or whistle. The other meerkats all dash back into their burrows when they hear the guard's call. Most meerkats are able to kill and eat venomous snakes, scorpions, and centipedes without being hurt. A meerkat's diet is incredibly varied and includes all sorts of insects, lizards, fruit, plants, spiders, scorpions, and eggs. They even catch poisonous millipedes and sometimes snatch small bids. Meerkats do not often eat scorpions, but they have developed a technique for handling the venom found in their stinger. The meerkat will move in on the scorpion quickly, grabbing the arachnid before biting off the tail and stinger. Without its tail, the scorpion can't strike a venomous blow. Millipedes are another poisonous meal that meerkats often enjoy, however they are coated in toxins. To combat this, meerkats have learned to rub and roll millipedes in the sand to remove any poison. Numerous studies have found meerkats use complex coordinated behaviors to solve different tasks, both independently and with their mob. Studies have even shown that certain members of the mob are more likely to solve experiments than others, in particular, when it came to obtaining food. Meerkats are spread widely across dry, open habitats in southern Africa and experience no major threats. Meerkats play an important part in maintaining ecological harmony in the arid regions of southern Africa. They are a food source for predators such as jackals and eagles, and they curb pest infestation by eating insects. Because meerkats don't store fat, they eat a large number of insects every day.